What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lincoln Navigator remote key fob. This Lincoln key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom, see this notch right here? What I'm going to do is put my key in that notch, push it all the way in, and then I'm going to kind of just angle it up and push up on that back cover. Once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here. And I'm going to grab a small screwdriver. If you don't have something like this exactly, it just needs to be small enough to fit into this notch right here. What I'm going to do is put it down in that notch and just use it to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out like that. Then we'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. And what I'm going to do, if you look at this hole for the battery, you can see this side's kind of flat compared to perfectly round. I'm going to tuck that edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Then I'll grab the back cover, and I'm going to start the top of it on first. I'm going to put it like this, slide that part up, and then snap it down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.